Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Genshin Impact. First of all, make sure to go ahead and open up a web browser on your device. In the URL box type in genshin.hoyoverse.com/en/gift and search. You will then end up in this page where you can easily redeem your code. Select your server first. From the server drop-down, here you may need to go ahead and log into your Hoyoverse account by entering your username or email and password or using other social methods. After selecting your server, type in your character nickname. Now, in the next field, enter your redemption code and click on Redeem. Make sure to type in the Genshin Impact redemption code exactly as provided. If the code is valid and not expired, your rewards will be added to your account immediately. To check your rewards, you'll need to open up your character's inventory or mail to see if the items are redeemed. So that's how you easily redeem your Genshin Impact redemption code easily using your Android or iOS devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.